Hey, Jeff Bates, Dole Whip Dad, here with my awesome daughter. Want to tell me your name?
Reagan Bates.
She's starting up her channel here shortly, so you'll have some of her videos. But this is a quick video of the day we walked right on Expedition Everest at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Now, some of this content is in our longer video about our whole day, but do you remember the day when we walked right on Expedition Everest?
Mm-hmm.
Tell the people what you think about that.
It was pretty cool. And what I liked best about it was that we arrived really early. Mm-hmm. So there was mist around the mountain. It was really cool. That got a great shot in the video.
It's in there. So again, a lot of this content's in our longer video about our whole day there, but if you want to know how to walk straight onto Everest, it's pretty simple. Here's how. Enjoy. All right, so we're at Animal Kingdom 2 minutes before 8, and the whole world's here already. The magic hours, so if you stay on property, you get in early at 8 a.m. and it's 2 minutes till 8, and there's already an hour wait at Pandora for both rides. Oh, 2 hours, wifey says, for one of the two rides. So yeah, I guess we'll be eating breakfast instead of Pandora-ing. So it's like 8:02. The whole world just got in. Resort guests get to come in at 8, everybody else at 9. But everybody went to Pandora. The app shows the ride times are over an hour for both of them already, which I don't know how that works out. But since everybody went left, we went right. We're gonna enter Asia here at Animal Kingdom and go ride Everest. Probably the best ride in the whole, well, best ride that anywhere, in my opinion. So there you go. We're gonna go on to Everest. Anyway, it's kind of beautiful, and that's where we're going.
Okay, Everest is running with 4 people.
Everest. Look at that with the mist. Come on, that's awesome right there. That's where we chose to go. First ride of the day. Expedition Everest.
Guys,
hey.
Welcome. Good morning.
Good morning. Look at that standby entrance. Yeah. So we're gonna get the queue. It's gonna be a quick walkthrough because it's only a 5-minute wait. But when else can I get this video for you? With no people everywhere. It is really a beautiful queue. Looks like the hurricane got that. Now we're going inside. That was the fastest queue ever. Pretty awesome.
Namaste. Dashi Dele. Himalayan Escapes welcomes members of the expedition.
Hello. Thank you. That's it. We're on. Here endeth this part of the video. That's us. So there you go. That's how we did it. That's how you can do it. Enjoy Expedition Everest. I know we're going to do the same thing next time unless we go over to Pandora, right?
Definitely.
Thanks for watching.